Hey Expo East, I'm Andrew Lynch from Zipline Logistics, here to demo the logistics and building of my trademarked family breakfast, the BrunchWrap Supreme TM. All of this stuff available at Kroger and Whole Foods and probably wherever you do your shopping. To start, we've got our frozen plant-based egg product, our flat out with a piece of American cheese on it, ready to go in the microwave, and our turkey sausage patty also ready to go in the microwave. I'm gonna start logistically with the turkey sausage patty, going in there for a minute and a half. Second, I'm gonna take this plant-based egg patty, I'm gonna put it in my toaster oven. I'm gonna crank this thing up and set a timer for 6 minutes, which is how long the directions suggest. All right, now I will show you the construction, which is really important. Just making something with love is half the battle. And oh my God, there's my timer. Everything's coming together perfectly. Last thing, bust our egg out. I figure out how to work my phone, and we just stack those up like that. The fold is critical. If you've ever watched your Chipotle burrito artist work, you know that this is where the magic really happens. We're good to go. Also part of the BrunchWrap Supreme's ethos. And look at that guy. It's cheesy, it's healthy, it's plant-based partly, and it's delicious. And our professional super taster, Teddy, is gonna sample this delicious egg product for us.
So excited.
Verified.
Oh wow.
That's a winner.
It's so good.
You heard it here first, folks. Booth 1511, we're serving these up every morning. Come by and see us, learn about BrunchWrap Supremes, and learn about how to fix your broken frame.